If the motion is supported by 2/3 of all members of the National Assembly, the Speaker is to inform the Speaker of the Senate within 2 days. The Speaker of the Senate is then to convene a meeting of the Senate within 7 days after receiving the notice to hear the charges. Article 145, Sub-Article 5 states that the President or Deputy President shall have the right to appear and be present before the Special Committee during its investigations. Where the allegations are substantiated, the Senate has, after according to the President or Deputy President, an opportunity to be heard, vote on the impeachment charges. If at least 2/3 of all members of the Senate vote to uphold any impeachment charge, the President or Deputy President will cease to hold office. Article 145 lays down the procedure to be followed in cases of impeachment and the timelines for doing so, including affording the person an opportunity to be heard on the charges. I have read the decisions from the Supreme Court and the Court of Appeal, as well as those cited by the petitioners. The decisions have laid down the position that it is important to let impeachment process run its course, and after which the court would have to look at any complaints for violation of either the Constitution, the law, or fundamental rights, including processes.